Okay, so this is the trade I took today on gold. It was a quick one, like a 1 to 2, and I didn't even wait for market to get to my TP before I close. So I think I closed at exactly 1 to 2 somewhere here. Yeah, I closed very quick. But the TP was here, which you see the reaction when market got there, So I took this trade off same pattern as yesterday. Yesterday, if you remember the way I explained here, I was in a 30 minutes, and then I want to see market forming a sort of, okay, let's use 15 minutes first. So we want to see market stopping at a level, like simply means consolidating. You want to see market forming a support. A support simply means market stopping at a level. Stopping at a level simply means you wait, make the market cool down. For you won't see and say he stop for somewhere. As they go from down like this, they go down. You don't have a zone wherever. Fuck those shit for now. This is just everyday trade that I usually take. It has nothing to do with gap. It has nothing to do with wherever zone, wherever. Fuck all those shit, man. This is gonna be your zone. You want to wait, make market stop for somewhere. Okay, yesterday this was where market stop at. As market stop there, you want to say you react from there. And as you react, that place where you react from, and that place you want to look for entry and buy from. Simple. If you want to do a job and start looking for entry, you can detail it into lower time frame, start looking for something. But if you don't want to do anything, just mark that place where you stop from. Put your entry in the middle of that place. For instance, now it stops here. This is the zone. I want to put my entry in the middle of here. Without stress, nothing. Market stopped here. Reacted. That's if you're looking for sell, but we are looking for buy. We're always looking for buy for now. So that's the same pattern yesterday. As you can see yesterday, my trade gave me the TP and immediately it gave my TP a reverse. And this is something that you guys should start getting familiar with. After my TP, usually after my TP, market tends to react from that price because the TPs are usually sell prices, So use it as a liquidity grab. So market came there and then delivered sell back to the entry, then delivered buy again. So one thing again that you should get used to is that whenever I TP somewhere, I tend to pull back my entry at that same level. I didn't do this yesterday though. I did not do it yesterday just because of something. I'm still not in my element yet this year, so I didn't do that. If not, I would have taken profit here, buy limit back here again, and then leave it run to my other way, and I knew that this market can still buy further. So in this case of today, I just TP'd, right? My TP was meant to be here, but I TP'd before, earlier. So you can also see that after market gave me TP here, it reacted immediately. So after tapping the TP, it reacted massively. So it's something that I'm actually used to. So, and right today I have the confidence, and the moment I TP'd, as I said, I didn't let my trade to run. I did exactly 1 to 2, but this trade was 2.5, So the moment I TP'd here, I put back my entry here now. So I actually have a buy limit here now waiting. So that's if market comes here again. And then I might also still drop this trade because it's still valid. Now, so this is what I did. I was observing buy, first of all, from yesterday again, somewhere around here. Even after taking this trade, I was still observing buy around this trend line. So I wanted market to come to this trend line, react off the trend line, then I can look for entry. So I want a reaction. The same way we saw a reaction at this trend line here. Market came, reacted, then you can look for entry here. But at this particular point, there was no trend line, I guess. This is where we started having trend line here and there and then so on. So I wanted to use it here now. This was a good place to use this trend line, but the moment market came here yesterday was already too late and he literally broke through it. So the reaction we got from it happened to be somewhere around here, and I wasn't taking this. I didn't take this trade because it was out of the trend line. Instead, I should be looking for sell because we are out of the trend line in this case. So you see market eventually tap the trend line and continued selling downward. So when I woke up today, I saw market somewhere around here, which was a good, perfect price for me to sell. But I didn't want to sell. Instead, I wanted market to come above here. and then above this level. So I wanted to see something like the same way I took this trade yesterday. I wanted to see it above this level, the same way it came out, and then I will get in on the retest. So this candlestick, I wanted it above this level, yeah, and then I'll get in on the retest somewhere around here, and then try to push it back to somewhere around here and here, you know. But so market did not do that. So instead it came down. I came down. So, but this is where I saw a reaction. So market reacted here, yes. This is already for me support, you know. So this is a good zone for me now to observe buy, and I waited for market to come there, gave me this one. I used the 20 minutes in this case. So when market came there, it reacted again. If I was awake, I would have taken this trade somewhere here, push it back up here. But then we missed that one, and then this is the next one here instead. So market came here. So as I said, whenever you mark your zone, you just have to look for entry next now, and then push it back up. So in this case, I waited for market to give me 6-minute confirmation, which is after market started retracing down to the zone here. I waited for this 6 minutes to close. Then this second 6 minute pushed up. Then reacted, started pushing back up. I knew that we're gonna buy now, so I bought immediately. Wasn't a buy limit, but a sell market execution with a 50 pips SL with a 1 to 2.5 risk reward, which was here. And if you remember, this is usually my TP, candlestick without no wick, you know. So that was my TP. Well, again, I closed before the TP, so depending on my vibe, you know, I wasn't feeling too much the vibe, but market eventually pushed to the TP, reacted, as I said, then even went further. Yeah, it happens. It's painful. This was my second TP on this place. Is also a sell zone. Anywhere around there, I think you should be looking for sell. Above this level, as I said, if we close above this level, we're testing somewhere here. I'm gonna get in here and push up. So for now, I have a buy limit waiting for me here now. So let's see what's happening. So that's the trade of today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. There is gonna be trade recap of, so there is gonna be things like this a lot.